Hello tie knot lovers, Mr. C's Knot Another Tie. This knot is one of my own creations. It's called the Lion Knot. I did it in a different coloured tie and it jumped out at me as looking a bit like a lion, so I've tried to find a bit of a lion-y colour with the ties I've got here in the UK, so it's sort of a goldy colour. We've got the lion chin and then we've got the lion ears, but it's sort of a similar shape of a lion head. To me anyway, it might look completely different to you. Anyway, this is what the lion knot looks like, so let's take it apart and let's get started. And to get this lion knot started, we're going to have the tail on the right hand side, blade on the left hand side, blade down to where you normally end up wearing it. I've got quite a short tie, so unfortunately it won't go all the way down, but this would be great if you were hiding it underneath the jumper. And if it's long enough, down to your belt line, and then when you cinch it up, you'll be fine. Right, power pinch in the middle. Fold it in half, fold it back on itself, and then the tail is going to go across the top. It's going to go round, underneath, and back up and through, and it's going to go down to the left hand side. Sorry, right hand side. It's going to go round and underneath to the left, and back over the front. Okay, so you'll be with me so far. Still got our dimple in the middle there, and then it's going to go back, up, and coming out on the right hand side, and back down on the right hand side. And then we're just going to take it round underneath, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half, so from the back, so we have a double thickness but half a tie. We want the opening part at the bottom, and take it across the front, and then we're going to bring it up and out to the left hand side. Down the left, across the back, and over, up and through, going back down the back on the right hand side, and then I'm going to come back up and over, and then we're going to finish off heading up there. And then when we fold this down, fold that collar down, underneath, cinch up just slightly for me. Might work better with a slightly thicker tie, and try to just get it so it shows better on the camera. And there we have our lion knot. If you're liking these tie knots, please like and subscribe, comment if you wish to. And thank you very much.